Hello friends. So in this short video, I'm going to talk about privilege escalation. Privilege escalation might be done by the user, maybe flaws in application, or maybe in operating system also you can use some flaws or vulnerabilities and you can escalate your privileges. But yeah, so the purpose of the privilege escalation is gain the more access. So if I'm having limited access and if I want more access to add users or want to steal some information, I can do the privilege escalation. So I will demonstrate you how this privilege escalation works with example of small application. So what you need to do is go to hackyourselffirst.com. Okay, right now I not started my Burp Suite. So you need Burp Suite for that one to intercept the communication. So for the moment, I will just visit this hackyourselffirst.com, register yourself. So I'm going to register myself. So put your email address. I'm just putting um, first name. I'm just putting some last name, password. Oh, you can give any password like I am my favorite password. I will give password at the rate 123. Okay. So and register yourself. Okay, password cannot special characters. Okay, fine. I will go just simple password then. Kiran 123. Okay, register. Let's see if it is allowed. Yeah, it's allowed. So my account is now Kiran. Okay, so what I can do is I can change my password. I can edit my profile. I can log off. Okay, that's I can do only. So you can see. So you can see here top manufacturers, Mercedes, Nissan. Okay, and there are, so I can change my password from here. I can edit my profile. So I can do limited operations. So let me log out from here, and I will do the same steps, but this time I will capture communication by using Burp Suite. Okay, so let's see, and I will enable here interception. So I'm just intercepting the communication. So let's see if I log in. I need to, sorry, I need to allow each and every communication. Okay, so it's asking this one. So see here, is admin true? False. So I'm going to is admin equals false. That means I believe if I change it to true, maybe they will give me access as admin. Let's see. So I'm just forwarding, log in here. Okay, again, is admin false? I am going to change it as a true. So I think I typed wrong password. Just I need to check this is admin false and just I need to make it a true. Let's see. Again is admin false. It's true. Forward it. Now you can see I'm Kiran. That's okay because I'm logging as a Kiran, right? But main thing is what you can see here. Initially, I was just a normal user. Right now, I'm admin because I saw in cookie that is admin flag is false. So I change it as a true. Now I can see if I go, I logged in as an admin. Okay, so if I click on add manage user, again, each and every request is going to Burp Suite. So I'm just doing it false to true in forwarding. So now you can see, I can see all users. You can see Alex. Okay, password is 1. Oh, this is a test website, guys. So this is for fun. Okay, don't try on the legitimate or websites. So you can see. So you got admin rights because you escalate your privileges from normal user to admin user. So I hope let this little bit help you. And the main thing you need to understand then how we can avoid this one. So consider we want to avoid this kind of attack or we need to avoid. So see, so you need to think first what you can. So right now in cookie, you assign this one is admin false. So whether it's needed, if such kind of information needed in cookies, then can you put this in plain text format? The answer is no. Then you can, encrypt it. So first thing is don't use the information that is very important and it's not needed, for maintaining in maintaining cookies. And second thing is if you want to maintain it here, just encrypt it. So people cannot decrypt it easily, right? So I hope this small video help you guys how to escalate the privileges and maybe how to avoid it also if you are a developer. So thank you guys. See you in next video.